Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about 1688 Chinese shopping app. If you have been using 1688 shopping app for a very long time, or you are new to 1688 Chinese shopping app to source cheap products from China directly from China to Nigeria or any part of the world, consider to stay tuned to this video and see important message you need to take into consideration right now in order to avoid a costly mistake that might cost you more expenses in terms of cheap import products from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app. So recently, 1688 Chinese shopping app introduced direct shipment from China to Nigeria or any part of the world. And as a result of that, there are a lot of costly mistakes in this method that might cost you more money when you are trying to ship and import product from China. And I'm going to show you what you need to pay proper attention to and what exactly you need to do if you find yourself in this category where you are trying to source cheap product from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app. So let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, or Pinduoduo, or Idofish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your WeChat wallet or your Alipay account, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So like I said in the beginning of this video, an update from 1688 allows you to ship direct from China using 1688 to your doorstep. I'm going to walk you through right here on my 1688 Chinese shopping app right here. So I'm going to open up my 1688 Chinese shopping app right here. Now the recent update right here, if you are trying to ship from China using 1688, so let's for instance you want to buy a particular product. So I'm going to use a product. I'm going to use this particular product right here. When you click on the product link, it's going to load up and then click on the here to proceed to the sales page. Now, with reference to recent only update, it allows you to ship direct to your country. Because I'm in Nigeria right here, that is why you see Nigeria right here. But the problem about this here is that if you use direct shipment, it is likely to cost you more money. And as a result of that, it is going to be a wrong way and a wrong decision for you. Most especially if you are buying something that is not really much, okay, from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app. So it might be any part of the world, whether US, UK, or what have you. But because I'm in Nigeria right here, that is why you see Nigeria. And it is not advisable for anyone that is shipped from China to use this method, and I will tell you why. So avoid this type of direct shipment when you are trying to source and ship products from China using 1688. Avoid this method. The best method still remains using freight forwarder, and I will tell you why. Someone recently contacted me on my WhatsApp right here. So I'm going to assist from here and open up my WhatsApp right here. Take a look at this message right here. So this person contacts me from my YouTube channel on my WhatsApp right here, exactly September 27, as you can see right here. Now, hello, and this is my response right here. Good morning, and please, good day. This is where I'm right now. I have paid 176 for the goods already, but the shipping is very high compared to my order. Now I'm going to open up this particular screenshot that was sent by the person that tried this method right here. So you need to be very much careful and pay proper attention to detail right here if you don't want to spend more when you are trying to ship products from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app direct, okay, to any part of the world. Take a look at the address section right here. For a security reason, I'm going to blur the address section right here. So this address here is a direct Nigeria address, precisely Abuja address. Now, so in this regard, if you use direct international address, it is the supplier that will recommend a shipping company for you. And once they recommend shipping company for you, you will not have any option to change the shipping company. Take a look at delivery day right here. This product here was estimated to be delivered in 19 days after the purchase, which is quite wrong and very much far. And not only that, take a look at the shipping fee right here. The shipping fee here is 586.50 yuan for a product that is not even up to 5 kg. This is all the product right there. Just a total consolidate of 4 package right here. So which is not even up to, it can be up to 5 kg as at the time of making this video. So now let me show you the product price right here. So the person stated further right here that this is the price that they purchase all the product. So they pay 176 yuan, and now we are told to clear the product with amount of 586.50 yuan. Why this thing is, and the purchase price right here is 176 yuan, and take a look at the shipping fee right here. Shipping fee is 586.50 yuan, which is almost 5 times of the purchase price, which is highly expensive, and it is a costly mistake that anyone can make right now by shipping direct from China to your door, home delivery. You can see right here, home delivery. It is a very wrong idea. If you are trying to think of using this method, abort the mission right now and use a trusted and legit freight forwarder to ship your product direct from China to their warehouse in your country. Then from there, you go and pick up your product and pay a reasonable shipping fee right here. So this is what I have for you. So if you scroll down, so you can see right here, this is my response right here. You made a mistake. Why will you use international address to ship the product? So this is my response right here. So if you are the type, you are trying to use this particular method, prepare yourself for a costly mistake and prepare yourself for more spending in terms of shipment of the product, and prepare yourself for more delay as far as this method is concerned. However, if you are watching this video right now, the best method still remains using international freight forwarder. Contact your shipping company, ask for their rate, ask for types of delivery, ask the type of the goods they can deliver, ask their duration time, and if you are comfortable with them, go ahead and get their shipping address. Use the shipping address to shop on 1688 instead of using your international address for home delivery, which is very much wrong. When you use the shipping company freight forwarder, the product will be sent to their warehouse address in China. They will consolidate and give you a reasonable shipping fee. It's that simple. More tutorial, tips and tricks on how to import, ship products from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app. Consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.